Let us discuss a question from engineering mechanics. This is basically from kinematics. So what is given is you have a rod, ladder AB inclined and at the corner of a vertical wall as shown in the place. So at one end, which is A actually, and the end A is slipping over a horizontal surface with horizontal velocity of 2 meters per second. And what is asked is when A is at a distance 3 meters from the corner, okay, that is given in the figure, the velocity of the center of mass. So center of mass obviously will be at the center of the rod. Okay, so the coordinates of this center of mass are basically OA is 3 and AB is 5, so this makes a right angle triangle. So this will be 4 because 3 and 4 it is the hypotenuse is 5. Now the center C coordinates are half of this 3 by 2 and half of 4 by 2. So that is clear from this. So that is 1.5 comma 2. Okay, that is the center of mass coordinates. Now we have many methods for solving this problem. So we'll use the simplest method. What we will do is as the A slips, the distance OA changes and OB also changes. So at any point of time, let the distance OA be X and OB be Y. But always the length AB will not change, right? So in that triangle, we can always write the Pythagoras theorem, which is OA square plus OB square has to be, that is X square plus Y square, that is has to be length L square, which is 25. Okay, so I can write L square also. Okay, but let's write 25. So now this remains constant. This is at any time this equation will hold. So if I differentiate with respect to time, what I can write is 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is equal to 20. The length will be constant, so it's 0. So now dx by dt, we'll first find out dy by dt because dx by dt is given. So x at a distance x, when x is 3, the dx by dt is 2. At point when x is 3, y is 4, and dy by dt we'll just find out. Okay, so from this equation, dy by dt is minus 2, 3, 2 and then divide by 2 into 4, so it is minus 3 by 2 basically. Okay, and why it is minus? Because the distance y decreases with respect to time. As A moves away, B moves closer to O, and therefore the dy by dt is negative. Now the center of mass velocity, obviously the coordinates at any point will be x by 2 and y by 2. That is the coordinates in terms of x and y. So the velocity would be in x direction, it will be x dot by 2 differentiating with the time, and y direction the velocity will be y dot by 2, and the net velocity magnitude will be summation of resultant of these two. So x dot by 2 whole square plus y dot by 2 whole square. X dot y dot is nothing but dx by dt plus dy by dt. So from this, when I substitute, x dot is 2, so 2 by 2 whole square plus y dot is minus 1.5, so minus 1.5 by 2 whole square. Okay, so this value actually comes about 1.56 meters per second. Okay, so this is the simplest way of doing this, putting a constraint and then derivating with respect to time. So all these ladder frame inclined, all these things, you can use the length of the ladder frame as a constant, and you can always build up a Pythagoras theorem and write this. So thank you.